Hi, my name is Lauren.
And I'm Tori, and we are presenting our design build firm called Dogwood Design.
Dogwood Design is a small team based in Richmond that specializes in restoring and celebrating historic buildings for contemporary relevance, adding sensitive updates that cater to modern living. We consider the individuality and uniqueness of a place by assuring change happens in accordance with its historic evolution. Our philosophy promotes the identification, evaluation, rehabilitation, restoration, and adaptive use of historic structures. We research its use over time, develop strategies, and make decisions based on established conservation standards and criteria. Our organizational chart shows that as a partnership, we bring together our separate knowledge, working hand in hand to assess building conditions, develop different levels of treatment plans, and design options appropriate for the client. We can also assist in the process of applying for federal grant opportunities funded by the National Park Service. We are involved in every step of the design and build of a project, but a majority of our construction is carried out by subcontractors that are hired and paid by hour or by project, determined on a case-by-case basis.
Regarding our finances, we would generally be following the rule of 25% of the budget going to labor, 35% going to materials, leaving us with a 40% profit. This profit would be distributed between us two and any of the firm's fees. An example of an average project we do is around $100,000. The labor would be $25,000, materials $35,000, leaving us with $40,000 profit. A minimum project we would be doing is $30,000. The labor would cost $7,500, materials $10,500, leaving us with $12,000 profit. Every project differs in size. A $100,000 project would take us about a month. A $30,000 project would take maybe 3 weeks, and a $200,000 project would take about 9 weeks. Each year, we would be taking around 10 projects differing in size. This means that annually, we would be bringing in $600,000, spending $150,000 on labor, $210,000 on materials, $2,500 on insurance, $3,000 on our design software, $1,200 on a phone line and a website, and then $40,000 on our beginning startup fees, which would include our computers, our work truck, since we wouldn't be paying rent, vehicle insurance, and the tools. This means at the end of the year, we would have a $193,300 profit. For our branding campaign, we want to visually show our values of historic restoration, so we have a traditional style with some modern influence in it. We also want to stress an emotional connection, so that comes out through our color scheme and personalized designs. For our advertisements, we would be pushing our design process through social media and, of course, sending out business cards. A more in-depth look at some of the work we would be doing could include kitchen, bath, general remodeling, additions, revival of historic homes that have issues that are needing to be brought up to modern day code, facade and landscaping, along with other remodeling. But any work we are doing, we will be adding character and unique features that are specific to the history, site, and client that will last for years to come. That is our presentation for Dogwood Designs. I hope you enjoyed, and I thank you for your time.